Luma AI, the most realistic and best video editor currently. It's an advanced game-changing software that lets you create stunning videos in minutes. From a dream machine to an AI-powered engine doing the heavy lifting and imaginative components, you can turn your images or text commands into creative videos. Now you can focus on what matters most, your creativity. So, what makes Luma AI so special? Let's find out. As we explore the capabilities of Luma AI, let's take a closer look at the features that make this video editor stand out. Luma AI is designed to streamline your editing process and unlock your creative potential. Let's dive further into all these features and see how they can help take your video editing to a more significant level. Luma AI's Dream Machine is the underlying AI model that enables it to create high-quality, realistic videos from just text and images. It's a highly scalable transformer model, which was trained directly on videos. This enables it to generate accurate, smooth, and descriptive clips. This feature is available for everyone to use. Firstly, we have the text-to-video feature, which is able to deal with many different contexts. The more detailed you go in your text prompt, the better the video is going to be. Here's an example of a post-battle scene where the camera shows unique angles. Then there is the image-to-video, which is even more exciting for many people. This allows you to post an image, whether real or AI generated, and then Luma AI will turn it into a realistic moving video. You're able to add a text description to go along with the image. This example uses a famous image of 4 people captured on a road, which went viral. It's been transformed into a realistic clip showing them walking. So, how consistent does the Luma AI stay with reference images? Whether you are using images from a movie or a real-life image of yourself, the video generated using Dream Machine seems to be mostly consistent. It's able to show movement and emotion while staying true to the details of the original image. This example shows how a still image of someone with a celebrity was turned into a video where you can see his excitement. An interesting feature of Luma AI's Dream Machine is that it allows you to describe what camera angles you want in the video. You can ask the camera to pan into an image, tilt it, or zoom in, and it would be able to do so most of the time. Sometimes Luma AI doesn't exactly do the rotation how you intend it, but it still works. Luma AI has also launched a new loop feature that solves a tough problem in its AI video creation. Until now, AI-generated videos look choppy and disconnected after playing them for just a few seconds. With this feature, everything changes. The update allows users to create smooth, continuous video loops from text descriptions, images, or keyframes. So, you can now create a video with long sequences without having any disorderly cuts or transitions. This will reduce production time and cost while expanding the ability to engage with the audience. Overall, these features combine to make Luma AI a powerful and video-friendly video editing solution. Just with a few clicks, perfect for creators of all levels. Now, moving on to the next amazing aspect of Luma AI, let's take a closer look at how this innovative tool works its magic. As we know, it can generate videos just from image or through text command. So let's dive further into the inner workings of Luma AI and see how it can transform the text or image into the way you edit your videos. We'll follow all the steps. Step 1. Launching Luma AI. Open Luma AI on your device, web or iOS mobile app. Sign into the account. You will use a search bar at the top of the screen. Step 2. Text and image input. The user types a text command describing the desired video, such as a sunny day at the beach with kids playing, or simply upload such a picture in the search bar. You can also enhance the prompt simply by clicking on the Enhance Prompt button below the search bar. Step 3. Processing. Luma AI's algorithms analyze the text input, identifying keywords, sentiment, and context. This system uses natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning algorithms to understand the user's intent. Step 4. Concept understanding and video template section. The AI understands the concept and theme of the desired video, including objects, actions, and settings, and then adds knowledge graph-based reasoning and semantic analysis. After that, Luma AI selects a suitable video template from its vast library, matching the understood concept of template matching and retrieval algorithms. Step 5. Object and scene detection. The AI detects and identifies objects within the template, such as people, animals, or objects. This step involves computer vision and object detection algorithms. Then, Luma AI generates a scene based on the text input, combining detected objects, actions, and settings. The scene is generated with the help of graph generation and video synthesis algorithms. Step 6. Camera, Object Action, Movement Adjustment. The user can adjust camera movements such as panning, moving the camera left or right, zooming, rotating, tracking, etc., by mentioning it in the command in the search bar. The same way by mentioning object movements and providing action adjustment details in the search bar along with the command. You can add or remove new objects, new actions, and other editing aspects to your video to make it more creative. Step 7. Video rendering and video output. The AI renders the generated scene into a video, adding visual effect. The final video is output, matching the user's text command. Luma AI comes with its endless benefits, as discussed earlier, from saving time and effort and still creating valuable edits, to adding creative element to your video with Luma AI Video Editor. You can expect a professional result that meets your high standards. And with a lot of practice, you can actually ace Luma AI by reaching a practical level where you can upgrade your video editing to a more elevated point and give an actual cinematic look to the project. Despite its advanced features, Luma AI Video Editor is extremely user-friendly and easy to use, specifically if you have prior editing experience. And if you do not have any sort of experience, you will still be able to edit videos without having a professional grip. Apart from that, another benefit of using Luma AI is that it's absolutely free. If you open your account, you'll see an option of 30 generations per month for free. Luma AI also has a standard plan that allows videos to be used commercially and is usually watermark free. If you want to enjoy more perks, you can simply buy a Premier account. With everything taken into account, the Luma AI Video Editor is an ever-evolving tool that is definitely influencing and changing how we create videos, with its cutting-edge AI technology and easier and user-friendly usage. It seems like it's never been easier to produce high-quality videos that engage and inspire. So, after this detailed analysis of Luma AI, what do you think about it? And what are you planning to create using Luma AI Video Editor? Let us know in the comments section below. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content like this.